Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Pili ka lang, sir.
It's
Red bean?
It's peanut butter.
Okay. Red and peanut.
This
Chia. Okay. What else would you like?
yun lang kasi yun lang pwede sa akin. Vegan.
Ang puro vegan, no? Sayang ayaw mo gawin sanang sets of 6 or sets of 4.
Oh, kasi,
May isa pa akong question, ma'am. Is honey okay for you? No din kahit honey. Okay, okay. Some do kasi, okay.
okay.
So-
Pero ito wala.
Wala. So, I'm
Sila ng tatlo yung
Oh, ito kasi may honey to. Some kasi accept it, some don't. Kaya I wanted to ask you. Would you like to, kunyari, dala 2 mo para mag set of 6 ka, ma'am? Or maybe may doble kang isa.
Yeah, okay, sige. 6 na lang.
Sige lang. Let's do 2 of each. Okay, okay. Ano yun, ma'am? Paper bag, ma'am, para mas cute siya, ma'am. Okay. Dalawang peanut, dalawang red, dalawang chia. Let me compute, 720 lang, ma'am. 720 lang, ma'am. Ako na mag-tape, no? Hello, ma'am. Mochiban. We have vegan options din, Sa mga naghanap ng vegan, vegan options. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. Mochiban. If ever you want to order again, ma'am, you can contact us online naman, ma'am. How would you like to pay, ma'am? Gcash, ma'am? Yes. Sige po, scan mo na lang din. Thank you so much, ma'am. If you cannot finish, ma'am, 4 to 5 days or longer if you put it on the ref, may flyers dyan.
Lalagay ba siya sa ref?
Hindi, kahit no need naman. If it takes a while lang din for you to finish. 4 to 5 days, ma'am. Wala din?
Wala pa akong nilabas.
Okay, okay. Yes. Share, yes, correct. Share ko na lang sana yung namin. Okay lang, itap ko lang ito. Para, ayan, para you know how to order again next time.
Okay. Ano siya? Parang dito vegan mo.
Hindi, may dairy kasi to. Milk kasi yan, ma'am, Opo. Pero ma'am, kung may kilala ka vegetarian, pwede rin sa amin, ma'am. Vegetarian and vegan kasi kami, ma'am. So yung mga Muslim, ma'am, pwede rin. Mga halal, pwede rin, ma'am.
Tatlo lang for now. Tatlo lang yung vegan.
Tatlo lang, ma'am. Yan lang. Lahat kasi may cream cheese yun, cheddar cheese, or custard.
Ganito na pala. Cheese. Thank you.
Siguro kung wala yung cream, no, it would make it vegan, no? Tama na. Kasi fruits is okay naman, diba?
Ano ba siya? Parang
Custard siya, ma'am, Custard powder na may milk, May dairy siya, ma'am,
Wait, paano ko malaman if alin yung...
Si peanut butter, yung may peanuts, crushed peanuts. Tapos si red bean, mayroong white sesame seed. Apo. Sige po, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Ayan, may mga vegan options din tayo. So, sa mga halal dyan, vegan option, vegetarian, yan, meron din tayo. So, lahat naman sila vegetarian. And then, the choices get smaller dahil vegan naman. Okay?